Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify subscription. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you cannot do it here under the Spotify app. All you have to do is just go ahead over to your favorite browser. Alright, open it up. Now, once your browser is opened, just go ahead over to the URL bar to type in open.spotify.com. Once done, just hit on go or search. Now, once it's opened, you're going to want to go to the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it and make sure to log in. Wait for your account to be logged in, and once done, go to the top right once more and tap on the cogwheel or the gear icon. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on view account right here. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead over to manage your subscription section. All right, just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you'll be able to see your subscription right here. Just tap on change plan and then hit on cancel subscription and simply follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. You might want to cancel your Spotify subscription because it is too expensive. I have this trick for you where you can go ahead and save money for your Spotify premium. So just go ahead over to the bottom of this video and tap on comments. In here, we have this link. All right, just tap on it. And once the website loads, just go ahead and go to the top right and just sign up. All right, if you don't have an account yet. So going back, scroll down and find Spotify. Right here, as you can see, for $2.42, you can now go ahead and have Spotify Premium, listen to music without ads. Take note that it is an advanced individual plan, which is a stable subscription as well. So just hit on purchase now. And if you want to save more, just go ahead over to the promo code section right here, tap on it. Now enter the code GUMMY to get a discount. All right. So as you can see here, for 6 months, instead of paying $50, you can now go ahead and enjoy it with just $19.59. With, of course, the promo code GUMY. That's basically it. Just hit on go to payment, continue the payment process, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.